Boom! I think I forgot to put the title screen on, but hi everybody. This show is edutainment, stands for education, entertainment, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I don't know your financial situation. All I'm doing is giving you one look, one perspective on investing. And I'm rocking a new watch. Look at that. It's a baller watch, everybody, right here. You can't get this limited edition. I think this counts sunlight, right, Momoy? I need a little bit of help on my my watch here. And I don't know what it's sunshine o'clock. And on this Friday 13th, we're gonna need all the sunshine we can get because the markets, I think a little bit of a bounce right there, bounce, bounce. That's what I'm talking about today. We bouncing. All right, everybody. We're gonna start rolling this out, getting my magic finger ready. Ooh, wind it up. And on Friday the 13th, here we go. Hi, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8. 8 minutes starts right now, just like that. Today we are talking about the whole market, S&P 500. It is bouncing today. It went boom, and now it's how high that will bounce will come. You think it's a reversal? I don't know. I think it's just a bounce. I don't think it's a reversal. I think we got plenty of hurt coming. But you got to ride the good days. Today is a good bounce day. And today we're talking about this stock right here, one of the great pandemic plays, Home Depot. It's part of consumer discretionary. That means this is where people put their extra money in the, well, I guess, when they have extra money, where are they going? We've been all, stuck at home for the last little bit, so a lot of people have been renovating their homes. But if you are an investor, you're probably going to go a little deeper and look at their investor relations page, see when their earnings calls are, see how they're reporting, see what's kind of new out with this company. But you came here for the charts. So let's take a look at this. Oh, I got some circles out there already. So we'll keep them out there and we'll take a look because we're gonna zoom in here. So obviously, like we said, we are in a bear market. This one started turning in February. Where February, you got clear signals, all those arrows just lined up. It moved below the moving average. The sellers took control, and generally the stocks, people were dumping the stock right there. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it has had a little bit of a floor for the last couple of months. As you see these wicks go down, wicks down, they touch down, but they've been closing around this level. So I'm just gonna call this around the $300 level. So down from 420 high down to 300. Now it's kind of making a floor. Is it taking a rest this last couple of months, or is it gonna drop? Let's take a look at what the swing opportunities are, because this is a narrow bar. Look at that. Narrow bar. I don't know what the opportunities are here, but let's zoom in. Wait a minute, I got Facebook up here. What am I doing here? I obviously didn't get that ready for you. I apologize. So let's erase that Facebook. Let's get there. And let's get this all set up properly. Ooh, is that the one? That is the one that we're talking about. It's with the one with the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands check or help us with volatility. And if you're a swing trader, volatility is what you need because you're going to go buy the bottom, buy the top, buy the dips, buy the peaks. And that's what we're looking at. And this one looks kind of the same as the other one. I'm just going to leave the circles out there. So look at this. We have some great dips opportunities here. You had one right there. You had one right here. This is a day chart. So this was yesterday. Yesterday you had an opportunity. The day before that, it was outside the Bollinger Bands. That means it was super volatile, a super down day. Definitely we felt those. Now we're getting a little bit of a bounce. How high will it bounce? I'm going to guess definitely it will bounce up to 301.37. Definitely go through that. I'm going to give it a little bit more. I'm going to say you're probably going to get up to 305 probably. You're looking at this, and what I'm doing is I'm actually looking at the other candles. I'm looking left, everybody. I'm looking left here, and on my screen I'm looking left. And you can see that it has some resistance around here, and it wicks out right here. But the bars of the candles, I'm going to say that one. So I say you're going to find some resistance at 307, right? 307. Maybe even 310 is a strong resistance right there. Yeah, I'm going to say right there. 308. I'm bouncing around. Smack dab in the middle of everything, I'm going to say here, resistance at 307. All right, so if you're playing to the upside right now, it's 298 right here. I think it's probably, oh wow, it's already moved eight points today. But if you're swinging for, you know, weeks at a time, like maybe even to the end of Friday, I think it could get here by the end of Friday, right there. So a little bit of bounce. It's going to hit that resistance and maybe even make lower lows. All right, everybody. That's what we got for swing trading. Let's go to what is going to move this stock. And for that, we got to go to some news. So, magic finger. Oh, man, I got to sneeze. Magic finger. Itchy nose. Tomorrow, what is going to move? No, it's not tomorrow. May 17th, right here. We are expecting 3, 6, 7. What are they gonna do? So this is where day traders are gonna, or intraday traders and also swing traders are really looking for these days. So you're not gonna do anything until it comes out, unless you hear some really good news. But we don't know how the market's gonna react after May 17th. So volatility is coming. You're going to be watching until May 17th. Then you'll have a clear direction of which way it's going to go up, down, like it's going to rocket ship up or it's going to rocket ship down. But we're going to expect some stuff. It is coming back and making some good claims. We're expecting it to be better. So if it doesn't do better, whoo, to the downside. All right, so watch out for that next week. That's great that it's coming up. But what's going to happen to it today? As you can see, we're pretty light today. We got 42 earnings, 17 stock splits, 66. That's the reason why the market is pretty certain it's going to the upside today, bouncing higher because there's no kind of negative news coming out. So we've been bleeding out last couple days, and I'm glad that we're having a little bit of bounce for morale's sake. All right. But here in the news, you know, a lot of people are saying, you know, they're having a decline in earnings, what to look out for. Here's another thing is that Memorial Day is coming up soon. So not just earnings, but Memorial Day sales are going to kind of prop things up over at Home Depot. That's what we're thinking. So let's see if those news, the earnings call and also Memorial Day, let's see if it can help out this stock right here. Not Facebook, Meta. I gotta change that for us right here. We're gonna get rid of, where are you? There you are. Boom. And let's find the right chart. That's the right chart. Yes. So we're gonna go to intraday right here. We're going highs, we're going lows. So we're taking the low here, we're taking the high here, and look at that, a beautiful channel. I just dropped those like it was hot, and I'm in the way. Let me move over. So I'm looking left again. We are in a wonderful top channel. It is busted through, so it's retraced and bounced today. A very nice bounce. Let's zoom in here. So it's past the 38.2. I think this is a strong floor. Also, VWAP has passed above it. So I would say if this is a strong floor to hold 293. Don't think we're going to come back down here anytime. So I will use VWAP as a strong floor, 294. It's retested 296, but what is the upside here, ladies and gentlemen? I think when in doubt, we got to zoom out and look left. So let's see. Whoo-wee. So where is our resistance? I could see why 296 is a strong floor. If we look left, look at that. I stand corrected. We're going to 296 as a strong floor. And your ceiling's at 300, right? We talked about that 300. Can it get it up there today? Can it get to 308 today? This stock has already moved. Oh, where are my circles? I should have these circles out here for you. With 5 seconds, it's okay. So your range, 296 all the way. And where am I? I'm disappeared. Let's see here. I am going to... That's the one. Right there. All right, everybody. I know the intraday traders get a little bump there. So let's see if I can do them a favor and get this screen up here for them. You just jammed that music. We're gonna look for some new music. And here, we're gonna zoom in here. Come on, come on. Right here. 296 is your floor. To the upside today, at least for today. Do we test 301 again today? The general consensus is that we're moving towards it. I think there's a good chance that you can get up to 301 and see a test. If it's strong enough to break through, the market is with us. The spider is there. But if I look left, woo-wee, that's pretty strong right there, around 300, 301. All right. We need some more volume. That's another thing that we're going to check out for right here. As you can see, there's not a lot of volume on this stock. We want to see a candle like that one right here. Boom, a lot of selling. This one's a lot of selling, but we want to see some bigger green candles to move that stock up. With that said, it's Friday the 13th, everybody. Let's move this away. I can hear the music. Got my new watch on. Oh my, and people are coming in here.
Hello!
Friday the 13th. Anything you want to say in 10 seconds?
Peace out. Peace out.